Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove text from a video on CapCut. So guys, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, first of all, go to new project, select the clip from where you want to remove the text. Here I am going to remove this text. Simply edit, and once you add this, you have to simply make a duplicate of the clip. Select the clip and you have to make a duplicate of this clip. So guys, simply make a duplicate and now select the clip and overlay the clip again. So guys, select the clip and tap on overlay. Once you overlay, you have to simply select it and make it right beneath the original clip. Here you can see this. Now you have to simply select the clip again, which is beneath, and now you have to go to mask from here. So guys, here tap on mask and now select any shape from here. Here I am selecting the rectangle, and from here you have to simply select the area. Here you can see this. Tap on OK, and now place it on the text. Here you can see this. Once you have placed it on the text, you have to simply play the clip again, and now tap on export button. You can play this as well. So guys, you can see this, the text has been removed. So guys, simply tap on export button and save the clip on your device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.